Mobile gaming has changed fast. Better graphics, smoother gameplay, and more powerful phones. But there's always been one problem: controls. Touchscreen limits, slippery swipes, missed shots. But that might be about to change. Meet the Abxylute M4, the snap-on controller that could finally make mobile gaming feel, well, console level. First revealed in August, the M4 caught attention quickly. Not just because it snaps directly onto your phone, but because it weighs only 55 grams. That's lighter than most smartphone cases, and yet it promises precision, ergonomics, and zero bulk. It's built for gamers who want portability without sacrificing real controls. And now, after months of teasing, Abxylute has confirmed its next big step. The Kickstarter campaign goes live on November 13th at 8 AM PST. Early backers can lock in the controller for just $39, though the final retail price and shipping window remain a mystery. Abxylute also released a 3.5-minute development video, revealing the M4's evolution, from sketches to prototypes to its final sleek form. And buried in that video was a surprising detail. The M4 isn't just a standalone controller, it's the first in an entirely new product family. Abxylute already offers handhelds and controllers like the One Pro, the S9 Type-C mobile controller, and the C8 wireless gamepad. But the M4 represents a shift, a modular, universal, future-focused accessory strategy designed for evolving mobile gaming ecosystems. With cloud gaming services growing, remote play becoming mainstream, and smartphones rivaling consoles, the timing couldn't be better. Gamers want power, they want precision, and more than ever, they want portability. So is the Abxylute M4 the future of mobile gaming? We're about to find out. Kickstarter launches November 13th. Stay tuned.